Hello, my name is Amy Daly and I am an attorney here at Sivia Law, bringing you today's Trademark Tip Tuesday video on the topic of how to select a strong trademark. Now, the quick answer is to make up a word. Any word that is not currently in existence in the English language is a really good candidate. Slightly longer answer is to take a word that is in the English language, but to use it in a completely new context. For example, apple. Everyone knows that a fruit is called an apple, but only Apple, the software brand, has a trademark for Apple in the context of electronic goods.